Hello friends and welcome to Cheapskate Vacations, Adam and Ellie, and today I am going to give you a room tour of room 8355. It is ocean view ocean view room on deck, second deck, main deck, and it's located midship, right by midship elevators. If you can see right there by the exit sign, that's where it is. And this is the room, and as you know, we like to decorate it with magnets and things. And here is a little sign for people to take and find out about our channel, take some Mardi Gras beads, because Mardi Gras is coming in a couple of weeks. So let me show you our room. So here it is. As you come in, as always, let's start from the front. You have your evacuation instructions as well as your muster station that is listed right there. And our muster station is E, which is on the starboard side of the ship, midship, on deck number 4. And right here to your left are your closets. So the first closet has a lot of hanging space and your life jackets and some storage on the bottom. The second closet has more hanging space, more life jackets, more storage on the bottom. The third closet has a full-length mirror, and I'm in my beachwear, and and it just has shelf space. We are traveling with our daughters this cruise, so there's 4 of us in this room, so we're using every bit of storage that we can get. The bathroom, standard for Carnival of this vintage, is you have a good sized vanity. You got shelves on each side. You got 3 shelves here. You got a big mirror. You got 3 shelves there. Sink on the bottom. You have a little bit of storage on this side. You've got a waste bin, towels, and here you have your shampoo and body wash, adjustable shower. Fully adjustable, as well as the shower pan, not the largest, also not the smallest. And over here you see you have a line you could dry your things. On the door you have 2 hooks, and coming further in the room on the right you have a sofa that converts into a bed. And if you know about Carnival versus Royal Caribbean or Princess, for example, is their sofas, they flip over. They do not extend forward. So I prefer this way of converting it into a sleeper versus of it being pulled out, because it saves you a lot on leg room right here. As you can see, that would completely take away all the walking space if that was the case. But this way you have a little shelf there, which is really nice, and you have a little bait light, a little lamp over there. And the bunk bed is not a Pullman bed. It actually folds up onto the wall right there. So it's not the one that falls out of the ceiling. And so this is it. And if you can see over there, there's a second night light or lamp. And you got 2 more hooks over here. And on this side, as well as the side table, the coffee table. And on this side, we have a vanity. And very spacious vanity as always. You have, all this space. Also, just a single outlet. American. If you want extra, you could get a converter from European to give you another one, or do what we do and get yourself an extension, the splitter, where all you need is just one, because most of our stuff is USB powered. So all we do is just bring this one unit, plug all of our stuff in, and that's more than enough for us all. Underneath the vanity you have a stool and a waste basket. And on the left side, the first drawer is the hair dryer with a little box here. Then you have 3 more drawers. They're pretty much equal size. The bottom one is a little bit deeper. Also, you have your telephone over here, and you have a vanity light, and this vanity light lights this up as well as this light right on that side. Okay, so in the middle you have an extra drawer, and on the right you have your fridge. And this is not a cooler. guys, this is an actual mini fridge. As you could see, it has ice. It's very, very cold. So if you have medicine you're traveling with or anything like that that you have to keep cold, you can feel comfortable, confident knowing that it will be safe here. This is your mini safe, guys, and this works differently. It's not with a code, so only one person can open and close. So designate somebody in your stateroom to use the safe, to be in charge of it, because only their key card will work. Or if you want, once it's open, another person wants to do it, you can do that too. So all you need to do is you take your key card, you swipe it with a magnetic strip up, okay? It opens. To close it, you shut it, you swipe it with a magnetic strip up. Woo, sorry, that's not how you do it. All right, I gotta hold it, okay? I hold it, I swipe it, and now it's locked. Okay, easy. Then you have a mini bar on the bottom, okay? Here you got a big TV, probably 24 inches. On the right side of the vanity, you got your more shelves, the storage, which is never something to be upset about. And you get more shelves right here inside. So I think that's really, really nice. And lots and lots of mirrors, right? That's a lot of mirrors in this room. Here's the bed. It's a king size bed, and over here you have your side table and a side lamp, and you got storage in the bottom. And on this side you got more storage. Same situation, same lamp, same storage. Right outside you got a nice window. We're in the second deck, so you see it. We're pretty close to the water. Pretty nice, and it's very deep. Actually, the first day our kids got up in there and hung out, and you got a little animal there. Now I'd like to talk to you real quick about things that are really important for me when cruising, and those are these hooks. You see how I have all these hooks, these magnetic hooks, and I talk about them on every video, and it's so important for us because we dry our swimsuits and our cover-ups on them, we don't have to fight for space in the bathroom because there's 4 of us, especially right now. So I hang up these hooks, and we hang up all our stuff here, and I hang up my purses over here, and it really adds so much storage. There's a link below to my Amazon page where I have my favorite items, and those are listed on there. If you want to go ahead and take a look over there, and if you click on it and buy from there, I'll get a small commission, which is really appreciated. So if you do want to get some, please use my shopping link. It doesn't cost any extra to you, and it helps me out a lot if you do that. And another thing as well is the same thing goes for the USB chargers. And another thing I want to tell you about that is a really, really important one we take with us when we travel, which is also in my favorite items in my Amazon page, is these, Pepsi bags. And these Pepsi bags are vacuum bags, as you can see. But you don't have to have a vacuum for them. You seal them up, and you squeeze them out, and they come with a handy little blue plastic pump that you can use, but you don't have to. You could just sit on the bag and get all the air out, and they compress all the air out of your clothes, and you could pack a lot of more things in your suitcase. And we always travel in these, and these are great because your laundry, we put our dirty laundry in there, get all that stuff out, it gets all the stink out. We don't have to mix it together with our clean clothes, whichever ones are left clean in the suitcase when we come back. So these are my essentials that I highly recommend you look into getting. They'll make your cruise a whole lot more enjoyable, as well as magnets that you put outside. They make it so much more fun for you to tell your room apart from other rooms when you're traveling, and it's fun for people to look at. And get a magnetic board as well, write notes to each other. Just things that make the cruise a little bit more special and don't cost a whole lot more money, but really bring a lot of and make your cruise experience a whole lot easier and your room experience a whole lot better. So once again, thank you so much for watching our channel. This is room 2355. We appreciate you. We love you. Please consider subscribing. Please like this video and become a member. Thank you so much. We love you. Happy cruising. See you later.